For this part, we're going to finish up finding 2.5, 2.6, and 4.6. So we just found 4.5. Actually, 4.5 was off, and want to look at finding 4.6 for this next one. Okay, and so the quadrilateral I'm looking at is 1, 4, 5, 6. So I will do 1, 4, 6 and 4, 5, 6. Remember the lines I use. I have 1, 6 and 1, 4, and I have also let's see here, 4, 5 and 5, 6. Okay, 4, 5 is going to be a little tricky to use just because it's off the page. That may introduce a little bit of error in trying to use that one well. Line 1, 4, 6. This one right here, it's a horizontal line through 1, 4, and of course off in this direction we have 1, 6 at infinity. Okay, and now 4, 5 is up there somewhere, and 5, 6 is right here. I don't like that line, honestly. That's going to be really tough to say for sure that I've got that one right. So let me see here what I've got. It's just a little bit off the page. I've got a point, we were not right there, and so I'm going to have to estimate that one just a little bit. Okay, and so I've got 4, 6 right there, right where I'd tried to label my 1, 6 at infinity, so let's fix that up a little bit better. All right, so now I have 4, 6, and that should give me some other options going back to finding 2, 6. I should have an option for a line 2, 4, 6 now. And so I'm trying to find 2, 6, so I'll have 2, 4 and 4, 6 that I can work with. And so 4, 6 is the one I just found. 0.24, let's see here, that one is right here, and so line 2, 4, 6 is right here, and 0.26 right there. Okay, so we're able to come back and find that one. As I said, the fact that I had two lines on top of each other didn't mean I couldn't find it. It just meant that I needed a line that gave me independent information, which the two I had didn't. All right, so the last one we have is 2, 5, and there should be many, many different choices for that. And so 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, and in fact 2, 4, 5, and there's even, this is more than I need, 2, 5, 6 will also work. So there's 4 lines and I only need 2 of those. So I've got a couple extra ones that I could use to check. And so for 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, and 1, 5 are the points I can use. And so, and then for 2, 3, 5, I've got 3, 5, and 2, 3. Okay, and so this line 2, 3, 5 does something like that, and 1, 5, 1, 2. So this was my 2, 3, 5 line, and my 1, 5, 1, 2 line goes right here. I can just extend that out. And so that one actually lands really close to 0.23. Okay. Now if I think about this 2, 4, 5, that won't be an easy one to check, but I can see that it's reasonable. That 0.45 is up there, and so this line 2, 4, 5 looks reasonable. So that's a check. And 2, 5, 6, 5, 6, 2, 5, and so 2, 4, 4, 5 checked out. 2, 6, and 5, 6 are the last two that I could consider checking. So 5, 6 is right there, and then 2, 6 is right there. So this would be the line 2, 5, 6, and that one's also consistent. So in spite of any difficulties I might have had with 4, 5, I got all these pretty accurate, and so even lines that I didn't have to use down here also work out. Now, obviously, you don't have to check your work, but it's always a good idea because any sort of inconsistency will be a sign that something's gone wrong. All right, hope that is helpful in solving the homework.